Hi, Jason Krebs, RDO Equipment Company Regional Sales Manager out of Sunnyside, and have our ERO Trimmer here. This is going to be for vineyard trimming, kind of mid-season, and you can do 2 half rows with this system. So kind of drive down the middle, cut the half and the tops on your rows, kind of trim back that extra growth that you get kind of mid-season. You know, very easy to operate in the cab with the joysticks. Bring back that foliage so you can get the proper sunlight to the grapes, to that fruit zone. This would replace a lot of hand labor, stuff where you're sending crews around kind of that mid-season to do a lot of this work by hand. You can cover a lot of ground in a hurry with one of these. With the struggle to find hand labor, you know, growers, producers are looking at more and more ways to do stuff mechanically. It's becoming more and more widespread. Contact your local RDO Equipment Company store and find out how we can partner with you.